Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain first data validation scenario. Here I will explain allow numbers only concept. It means if any user trying to enter other than numeric data, I want to restrict that data for particular columns. So in that case I am using this kind of data. I have some kind of item information and category, quantity, price and description details. So here quantity and price always accept in numeric format, right? So that's why here I build this particular logic. So in that case, first I need to select this particular cell. By default we are in home tab, right? Go to data tab. Under this particular data tools we have data validation drop down. Click on this drop down, choose data validation option. Now here we have under settings tab we have validation criteria. By default we have any value. So if you select this option, it will accept any value, either in numeric, either in text, either in special character, to accept any value. But our criteria will be only accept numeric format, right? So that's why first I build with custom option by using some kind of formulas. In that case, click on this validation criteria, choose custom option. Whenever you choose custom option, automatically will pop up formula option. Here I will provide equal to is number option. Okay, is number formula. So it will check whether this input value is text or numeric. Okay, if it is numeric then it will accept, otherwise it generate an error. Okay, it's generated false option. So it returns two things, one is true or false. If it is number, it returns true. If it is not number, it returns false. So I choose this particular cell. Now close this one. Here we have one more option called input message. Now I will show you what exactly use of this input message. Select this option. You need to put some kind of titles for here. I will show you numeric pop-up as title. Okay. Inside this input message, I will show you some kind of information. Please enter numeric data only. Okay, or it allows only numbers. Okay, now whenever you mouse over on any cell, automatically pop up this particular input message. Okay, then go to error alert. Here we have three different kind of styles. First one is stop. First I will show you what Excel stop means. Stop means user completely stop whenever user enter wrong kind of input data. So that's why first I explain the stop option. Okay, I will provide please restrict user. Okay, in this error message I will provide some kind of error alert. Please enter only numeric data values, then only it allows you. I provide this particular error message. Now click on OK. Now see, this is input pop-up. We are enabled, right? So it allows only numbers. Now I drag entire this particular option to remaining cells. It means entire these cells accept only numeric type data. Now if I enter any numeric format data, if you press enter, then it will allows you. Now if you trying to add some kind of text type data, let's suppose I enter as a 2. Now if you press enter button, automatically generate this particular error. Please enter only numeric data values, then only it allows you. Even I click on this retry option, if I press enter again, it's not allowed. It's completely restrict the user. Okay, so that's why it is very first option. Next one is I will show you now. Translate. Okay, now I will again go to this particular data validation rules. Okay, now first here we are showing this top option, right? Now I am selecting as warning one. Okay, again I will coming from starting onwards. First I select this one, go to data validation. Now I select as warning. Whenever you choose this warning option, it will just pop up one kind of warning message. After that you press enter button, automatically that data is accepted. Now same thing, I drag remaining ones. Okay, sorry, your data also copied. First data validation, go to data validation warning. Okay, now if I trying to enter data in text format data, now press enter button. See it, this particular option just to give the pop up. Okay, if you click on S button, it accepted. See, if I click on this S button, it accepted. Okay, so in this particular warning type things, we cannot restrict the data from the users. Okay, just it will populate one kind of message. Okay, this is warning related one. Next, information. So information also same related to warning one, but symbol get changed. Even information also accept the data. Now see, I enter some kind of text data. See, it accept this one. If you click on OK, data gets accepted automatically. Okay, here as per your criteria, you can choose which option is better to reduce the errors. You can choose. My option will be always go to stop option. Okay, it will complete restrict the user to enter unwanted data into particular cells. Okay, so this way we can restrict the user to enter unwanted data in the selected cells. Okay, it will help us reduce the errors and get the accurate data in Excel application to analyze the data in future purpose. Okay, so I hope you understand how this data validation help us. So that's it guys. Okay, thank you.